Hi, welcome again on daily group discussion topic updates. So today I'm going to discuss with you a topic which is very relevant topic, expected thing in future coming time, and there is a first day of child in the school post COVID. Whenever a topic is given to you, first thing is understand topic well. If you do not understand the topic, whatever you are discussing is useless. So you need to understand the topic very well before you start giving your opinion on that, and entire discussion will proceed in that direction. So here I go. First day of child in school post COVID. You know, the focus you have to do on certain thing is post COVID. What is the meaning of that? COVID is over. COVID over, no fear, or still COVID is there and there is apprehension. Both meaning can be there. Now, how you started? Good morning friends, my name is Vijendra and I introduce you to the topic. Friends, the topic given for the discussion today is the first day of child in the school post COVID. Okay, what I understand from this topic is that the impact of COVID as a pandemic has reduced, because government is not going to permit opening of the school unless and until the threat or the threat perception is less. Now, it is a very interesting topic and obviously related to the current pandemic developments, and we need to see this entire topic from different perspectives. So I will be discussing, friends, this topic from the perspective of parents who are worried, child who is excited, school management and teachers who need to be alert, and government who is to be regulating authority. So I'll be discussing this entire topic. We should discuss this entire topic from these perspectives. Now friends, I open the house for the discussion and I invite each one of you to give your points, suggestions, opinions, so that we can very effectively discuss this particular topic. This is how you opened it up. I told you perspective is to be given. So let me divide now. What are the perspectives? What are the perspectives for this topic? And when I give you this is for your content enrichment. This is for your content enrichment. The first perspective is parents. Parents or guardian. Parents or guardians. Then come teacher and school management. Then come obviously child and his perspective. Then comes government. What is the perspective of the government? Government or regulating authority. This is how it comes. Now, parents and guardian, they are worried for obviously safety of their kid. Number two, they are also relieved because socialization and formal education of their child was stopped and now it is going to start. So from the perspective of parents or guardian, friends, parents will be worried for the safety of their child, because the socialization is, if you ask me as a parent, you know, I have a kid, I'm not much bothered about education or learning part. I'm more worried about socialization, because education learning can be done after 3-4 months also, but socialization, mingling with the friends, talking to them, active, playing in the playground, being active, those things are very important. They cannot be provided at home. Learning can be provided at home also. Online learning can be done, e-learning can be done, but what about playing? That cannot be e-playing. There cannot be e-socialization. That is not good. So socialization has to be good. So parents will be worried, but at the same time relieved. Teachers, they need to be alert. They need to be alert. They need to be attentive. I will not say worried. They need to be cautious. They need to be active. Why? Because overall safety, social distancing norms, holistic development like learning and playing and socialization is to be provided. They are to permit that, and child is going to come after many days, so it will be difficult to control their excitement. Child is thrilled excited, happy to see the friends, meet the friends, worried also. I'm not saying same child. There will be, depends upon nature. You know that different child are of different type. Different person is, everybody has different behavior. Some will not be bothered about social norms. He's not bothered about safety. He's bothered about, I am to meet my friends. He's excited, he's going to hug them, he's going to shake hands, he's going to mingle with them, no social distancing norm. Another will be totally worried because his parents has told him something and he's worried, he's not going anywhere, skeptic, shy, There can be shy people also, shy because they are meeting after many days, their teachers also, and that gap has come. They will be like that. Okay, they are meeting their friends after many days. So there is inertia, yes. There will be inertia in many of the children. That inertia is to broken. The very first day, there should not be any emphasis of the school on education or teaching or learning. No. First day should be sort of orientation, because all over again. Never in the history, children have not gone to the school for months together. So far, not. So it is an orientation program. So first day of the child in the school will be more like orientation. You are to basically brief children, you are to make them play, yes, playing is possible by maintaining the social distancing norm. Everything can be done. Only thing is differently. Everything can be done. So that is a responsibility of teachers and management, how it is to be done. But yes, this lot should make the best use of their time. I'm not saying they are going for 6 hours to the school, maybe 3 hours. I'm not saying all the children will go in the same lot, maybe in the shifts, to maintain the social distancing norms. But then this lot is to spend the time in the best possible way, because these poor kids have not been given those things which we got when we were in childhood. So yes, they are to be given that. Okay, so new experience all over for them. They are going to have new experience, and teachers, management, parents, it is a duty to make this new experience. The new experience should be really good for this lot. They have to try to do that. As far as government is concerned, it is a regulating authority. Regulating authority. So, giving the directions to the management about the social distancing norms, safety norms, transportation system, all these things, and even midday meal or wherever it is served. So all these things, it is a responsibility of the administration or government to consider that. So everybody has to do that. Okay, after all these discussions, obviously some members will give different points and you have to give counterpoints. But holistically, during your discussion, keep one thing in mind. Show the solution attitude. So positive attitude. Whenever given the chance that you can think negative, positive, try to think positive. Whenever somebody creates a problem, suggests you some problem, try to give solution. If somebody says you cannot, a child cannot play in the playground, you say why can't? They can play in the playground. Only thing is playground में तो वैसे social distancing norms maintain होता है. In the classroom you do not sit at 6 feet distance, but in the playground you are 6 feet distance. In fact, I am of the opinion that playground is very safe. Prayers cannot be there. Somebody says, you say no, prayer can be there. Stand at distance and let's have prayer. Cultural activity, prayer, games, everything can be done if you maintain social distancing norms. So then at the conclusion, friends, we had a very good discussion. Everybody gave the points different perspective. As we decided that we will be talking in different perspective, all of us have given very good points. And we conclude, all of us comes to the conclusion that yes, it is going to be a new experience for the child first day, and we should try to make that new experience the best for the child, and he should forget all the past days of shutdown, and he should start his life all around again with the full energy, motivation and hope. So obviously we need to be alert, we need to be cautious, we need to learn certain social etiquettes for future also, but I am very sure it is going to be great for them. Thank you. This is how you have to end it up.